In this screen-recorded demo, we'll show you just how simple it is to get Asyntai AI up and running. You'll see real-time questions typed in and the AI generating answers instantly using a website's own content. No scripts, no pre-recorded replies, just live interaction. Many businesses struggle to provide immediate, accurate answers to customer queries without constant staff oversight. We'll now ask real questions to see how effectively this AI chatbot provides genuine answers live. Imagine offering this direct access to your website's knowledge via this simple chat interface. That's a great question that many businesses have when considering a chatbot for the first time. Let's see how quickly this solution can get you up and running. Here's what the AI shared. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You sign up, connect your site by entering your URL, and then customize. Finally, just copy and paste a small code snippet to deploy your live AI chatbot. Understanding your data sources is crucial for a chatbot's effectiveness. Now, let's dive into what kind of information it actually uses for those responses. Let's see the response. Setup takes just minutes. Simply connect your website, upload your documents, or define custom instructions and FAQs. For even more dynamic knowledge, our Standard and Pro plans offer real-time data feeds and video transcriptions. This ensures your AI is always informed and delivers precise answers exclusively from your provided content. As we navigate the site, notice how the chat continuously remains accessible, ready for the next question. For many businesses, lead generation is a primary goal. We'll explore if this particular chatbot can actively help you capture valuable customer contact information. Here's the answer provided. Asyntai seamlessly converts your website visitors into valuable leads day and night. You can choose to display visible input fields or let the AI intelligently capture details as visitors chat. All leads are conveniently organized in your dashboard, with integrations available on paid plans to connect to your existing tools. Beyond initial setup, the ability to tailor the chatbot to your brand is key. Let's find out if making those customizations is a straightforward process. This is what it stated. Setting up your AI is simple and intuitive. In minutes, you can personalize your brand's visuals and tone, control conversational personality and behavior with no coding, preview all changes live before you publish. Every single answer demonstrated so far has been generated fresh based on the website's own content. Finally, for any investment, understanding the financial aspect is paramount. The next question addresses the cost, which is a deciding factor for many. Take a look at this. You'll find our pricing is designed for simplicity and transparency. We offer a free plan to get started, with affordable monthly options like Starter at $39 or Standard at $139 to scale with you. Plus, save 10% by choosing an annual plan. As you can see, setting up Asyntai AI is quick and easy. Experience the convenience for yourself. Try it free at asyntai.com without needing a credit card.